Hi, good morning. This is Dave Rosa from Flat Fee Tax Relief. Uh, co- Coming to you from Clearwater, Florida. As you can see behind me, it's a real nice uh, sunny day today. So I'm going to have my sip of coffee. Join me if you have it. And we're going to talk about our company, Flat Fee Tax Relief. Now, as I said, I'm coming to you from Clearwater, Florida. And our parent company is Flat Fee Tax Service, and they are located in San Diego, California. That's where the tax work all takes place, whether it's getting unfiled tax returns prepared and filed, making our clients compliant, stopping a levy, stopping a bank levy, innocent spouse, penalty abatements, currently not collectible, offering compromised tax settlements. All that work is done in San Diego. Now, what do we do here in Clearwater? Well, I handle all of the consultations that come in. You'll speak to me. Also, if you have a problem, you can get a hold of me starting at 8 o'clock in the morning, East Coast time. And I can find out what it is you need, answer your questions, okay, because I'll have the information, and if necessary, relay it to the tax attorney handling your case. All right. So if you have a levy on your wages and you call me up at 8 o'clock in the morning, we can start working on that at 8 o'clock in the morning. And usually we can get that stopped within a day. Why? Two things. One, we have a direct line to the IRS, the practitioner's line, so they'll answer our phone calls. And we have an extra 3 hours to work on your problem. Okay? We're in the business of resolving and fixing problems with the IRS. That's our job. That's what we do. And we do it very well. So back to Flat Fee Tax Relief, Flat Fee Tax Service. All of our clients are represented by a tax attorney. And we've been doing this as a corporation for over 10 years. We are accredited with the Better Business Bureau. We have an A+ rating. We've always had an A+ rating. In fact, we've never had a client complaint. They're always either happy clients or whatever, but we don't have any client complaints. Why? Because we don't do anything that we know we can't accomplish. We're not in it just to take your money. Some companies, they just want to take your money. As an example, they'll take $500 and say, oh, well, we'll do a initial investigation. Give us $500. You know what that $500 is? It covers the cost of their Facebook, Google ad that drew you in to begin with, and a commission for the guy or gal who spoke to you on the phone. It's gravy money, more or less. We don't do that. That phone call is done when you become our client, and it's part of the package. You have to call the IRS, okay? You have to call them. After I speak to you, I'll have a pretty good idea of all of your problems. Even if you don't know them, I'll probably have an educated guess as to any additional problems just by the behavior of the IRS and how they're treating you. I'll have a pretty good idea. Then, when you become a client and we file the power of attorney, letting the IRS know that you have representation, we'll have them on the phone. Hello, IRS. Here's our client, John Doe, Jane Doe, Social Security number so and so and so and so. And they'll tell us all of the issues involved, see if they match up with what you told me. If they don't, okay, we need to do additional work, we need to do something else. And while we have them on the phone, then we get them to put a hold on the enforcement. If you have a levy, then we work to get that released that day at that moment so that we can get a release faxed to your employer right then and there. Okay? The IRS uses fax machines. They don't send anything by email attachments or anything else. They use faxes. Okay? We get them to release it and get the fax out. All right? Now, we also handle bank levies. I'll go into that when we get to the section of our website with bank levies, but we do that. Most importantly, we do IRS offering compromise settlements. We also do currently not collectible. Sometimes we work currently not collectible with offering compromise so that we get the IRS off your back somewhat permanently, okay, while we do the offer. Okay, it takes the stress and anxiety away from our clients. Okay, so that is us. All right, IRS Help is what we do from coast to coast. Doesn't matter where you live. Not at all. You don't have to come into the office. You never have. Okay? Some people say, well, I like to come in and talk to you face to face and blah, blah, blah. Unnecessary. IRS doesn't want to see you. The only time they'll see you is if you've been a bad boy or a bad girl and they send a revenue officer out to your house or your business. Then they want to see you face to face. Otherwise, they don't want to see you. They handle everything by fax. Okay, you fax it in, all right, and then they send you a letter out. They don't want to see you. If they want to see you, you're in deep doo-doo, okay? They're sending the guy with the badge and the handcuffs out to see you. All right, so having said that, there is no reason to come into the office. Never has been, quite frankly. So I'm doing these streamings so you get an idea and a flavor of who we are and what we do. All right, and you can put a face to the website. So once again, I'm Dave Rosa. This is Flat Fee Tax Relief. Our phone number is 1-866-747-7435. I'll repeat, 1-866-747-7435. And our website is flatfeetaxrelief.net. Oh, one other thing. Our clients, once they become a client, once I send you out a client agreement, the power of attorney, you get the documents back to us, you have the direct phone number to the tax attorney handling your case. No assistance involved. You have a direct line. You can call as often as you want. Now, obviously, we don't want you to call up and just say, hey, it's Jane or John. I just thought I'd talk to you. There's really no reason. Okay, because our time is valuable. We have you, and we have our other clients we need to spend our time with. Okay, we run an efficient ship. All right, but if you need to call, you have the number. And if he's unavailable to speak to you at that time, leave a message. They'll call you back. Okay, we're very good with follow-up. We pride ourselves. That's one of the reasons why we don't have client complaints. All right? Okay. So wrapping it up, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it. I hope this helps you in some way. Our consultations, by the way, one last thought. Our consultations are free. There's no obligation. You can call up I'll speak to you. I'll ask you some questions. It'll take 20 or 40 minutes of your time. It'll be well worth it. When you get off the phone, you're going to be a well-informed taxpayer. You'll know what your options are. No BS involved. Okay? I'm a straight shooter. I tell it like it is. If we can help you, I'm going to tell you we can help you and how we'll help you. Not just, yeah, we can, give us your money. No, I'm going to explain it exactly, the process, how we can help you. If we can't, I'm not afraid to tell you that. Okay? If I tell you we can do something and we can't, you're going to be upset. I don't like upset people. I don't like people calling me up on the phone and being upset. Okay, so the best path to success is to have happy clients and say what you do what you say. It helps me in my life. It works. Okay, so have a great